Hey Vatos, how's it going? This is Angel with Vapewaves and Subarus. I just wanted to thank you guys for clicking on the video. This is going to be a very interesting build that I'm about to start. I've never really done anything like this before, and I wanted to make something that would pretty much imitate what anybody with realistic expectations would expect when you're actually doing a build like this. You know, I'm not trying to go all crazy. I don't have a crazy budget. This is all my personal savings that I've been having for a while, and I just felt like it was time for me to invest in something fun and something that would kind of occupy my time as a hobby. So yeah, I decided to pretty much record the whole thing to share it with you guys and pretty much show you the whole process on one of these realistic rally builds. I am gonna be hopefully finishing this vehicle to be able to join the Lone Star Rally events over in San Marcos. So if everything goes to plan, then you guys will see me there soon enough. And yeah, I guess without further ado, I give you guys my new rally project. Here she is, the glory. Script on something.
You got some good clearance for the track?
Yeah. There's so many snails on this car. Like, see that? There's like so many of them. This thing has so many snails.
It leaks from everywhere.
Yep. It's great.
You might as well just toss this into the doorway. Buy a new one.
Nah, you don't understand. These things are indestructible.
I disagree.
Indestructible. Not a 2.2, you don't. Not a non-turbo, you don't. Indestructible.
What happened?
Nothing. He's just like, it's leaking from everywhere. Like, it'll be right. This is just how they do it on Pimp My Ride, dude. They show up.
Well, the good news is, it is all-wheel drive.
It is, and that's very important. Aha.
The bad news is, this hasn't driven since 2012.
Nice rusty rotors. Oh yeah.
La da da
let's go ahead and try cranking it over. Looks good. Door handles installed. At least I can open it. Kinda. Still gotta open it from the inside and bolt it up, but at least it works. So there you go, man. That's my project. I ended up picking it up a couple of days ago. Big shout out to Brian Korn for helping me tow it all the way from San Marcos all the way over here to San Antonio. I want to give a big shout out to my co-workers that helped me. I actually towed the thing as well when I actually went to go look at it. They took me over there. But yeah, not too much planned as far as just besides getting it running and being able to enter the rallycross events over at Lone Star Rally over in San Marcos. But yeah, real excited, man. I picked it up for 800 bucks, so not too bad. It does need a lot of work. It does, I'm not gonna lie, but over everything I'm just excited and I can't wait to start working on it. I already tried turning it over by hand. The engine seems to turn over fine. I'm not able to really crank it or turn it on until I install a radiator that it needs, so I need to get one of those. And I already ordered a key for it. It doesn't have a key right now. It has a master cylinder that's kind of just out. And as you can see on the video, I replaced the driver's side door handle already, so at least I can go in and out of the car, but I can't turn it on. I don't have a key, so for right now I'm just kind of waiting for all that stuff to pretty much move forward. I can't really guarantee you guys how much videos I'm going to be uploading or how often I'm going to be uploading. I'm going to be doing them as soon as I can, but I do have a full-time job that I got to worry about, so that's going to be my priority. But this project's going to be really fun. I'm going to try to do it as much as I can with all the free time as I can. Thank you guys for your support. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you want to help me with the build, if you want to support me with the build, then I'm going to be making a Patreon. I'm going to be putting it on the description below. And if you guys want to help, I mean, I really appreciate it. This is all coming out of my savings anyways. If you don't, then I mean, you know, it's no big deal. I'm here to do it anyways. But yeah, thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, vatos, laters.